All right, we are back. Boss up, boss up, boss up, baby. And I'm back with two more courier companies that are all over the country. Of course, they're not in every single state, guys, but these two should help you guys out find and get these contracts with medical courier work, auto parts work, last mile delivery, anything that you need to get delivered. If you have a car, sedan, crossover, pickup truck, SUV, cargo van, box truck. These companies are looking for it all. All right. So don't forget to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, yes, and drop a comment what city you are in. Just let me know, do a roll call, drop your city down below, shout me out, or drop a comment because it helps me get out to a wider audience and helping everybody find some type of work, find some type of side income, and get to the money. All right. So also want to invite you guys out to my free Facebook group. I'm not going to send you the link. The link is down in the description. So just go ahead down in the description area, hit that link, and there's some more links down in there you guys will benefit from. And if you want a credit consultation, go ahead and drop down in there as well. Let's get into these great two courier companies. One that I have not seen anyone talk about on YouTube, and another one I've covered before, but they are NDS, National Delivery Solutions. National Delivery Solutions got what you need, and they are looking for drivers. I reached out to the Georgia contact person, and they have 4 routes here in Atlanta area right now. I was going to jump on one, but unfortunately, they all start before 7 a.m. and I cannot start before that time frame right now. So you guys in Atlanta better jump on this, and we'll see about all the other areas they are in. We cover the areas first. Where is the location served? So let's get into it. I'm gonna make this bigger for you guys. Yeah, I don't need to see my face. And let's get into this. Okay, so page couldn't load. All right, whatever. But you see, they're kind of right up in this alley from Florida. It's going straight up. So was that 75? Straight all the way up to Michigan. We got Arkansas, bunch of Florida, Alabama, Mississippi. So you guys who not seeing stuff in Alabama, Mississippi, this one for you. Even Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, Pennsylvania. What's this area up here? Canton, Ohio, or Ohio. So yeah, these areas are abundant all up in this region, but that's not all. I got another company for the more East Coast and West Coast, but kind of Midwest and Texas. I got some more stuff for you guys. So stay tuned. Don't click off this video yet, but let's kind of go into it. You see all the cities: Akron, Ohio, Chamblee, Delray, East St. Louis, Missouri, Florida. I mean, they got Lawrenceville, a lot of Florida, a lot of Tennessee, a lot of Georgia. But that is National Delivery Solutions. And of course, they make it easier for you guys. We want to be an independent contractor. That's what we are about. We're about independent contracting and getting contracts. That's how you boss up. That's how you build your own business. That's how you are able to hire drivers. If you are not able to do the load that day, you can hire drivers to run for you. And then here's all the information it asks for. You got to be 21 and up, cell phone, vehicle. If you got a cell phone in a car, you halfway all you need for this business. You want to know the make, model. They are very strict with the insurance. They want $300 and 100,000 in liability and 300,000 in cargo and bodily insurance. So make sure the insurance. Make sure you got that 100,000 and 300,000. That's not $300. That's 100,000 and 300,000. So make sure you have that. No DUIs and previous work histories, but not really needed. Now, if you have trouble, I was having trouble submitting my application on here. They kept asking me to add something, but it would never push through. But all I did was just contact and call them, as well as they have the managers and lead drivers information as well. So I reached out, sent them an email, and got in contact. All right. That's how you do it, man. And shout out to one of my group members, the Boss Up Side Hustle group, Mimi. She is killing it. I'm gonna show her. I'm gonna do a live Saturday morning, so make sure you tune in to my live Saturday. I'm gonna show you some of the contracts she got, but she's following everything I say. She's following up. She's bugging these people to get these jobs, and she lined up 4 contracts within a week of watching my videos, guys. Of course, she's in the Atlanta market. A lot of opportunities here in larger markets, but that's not to say you don't have the same opportunities, guys. That doesn't say that you cannot find work in your area. Follow my leads, watch my videos, pay attention to what I'm saying in these, how I got contracts and how other people are getting contracts based on what I'm saying. It's not hard. It's really not hard. You just got to put the work in, put the time in to get everything rolling. So that's that. They have a portal once you get hired for the driver. So this summer, once my schedule opens up a little bit, I will possibly be taking some of these and then looking for drivers as well. So they do medical courier, last mile, all that good stuff. So that's National Delivery Solutions. Link to this website be down below. I haven't seen anybody covering this one. If you know about it, let me know. But watch how many people you start seeing covering National Delivery Solutions now that your boy has done it. All right. The next, we got Express Errand Courier. These websites, this guy right here, thumbs up, thumbs up. So they're looking for mainly medical courier. I worked for this company in the past, last year briefly. It's like right before the gas prices like severely spiked. So I had to shut it down because they were paying only by mileage. They were paying me 90 cents a mile. But I mean, I was ripping and running all over the place, 150, 200 miles a day, dragging the vehicle. So just some of the things you got to keep in mind when doing courier work. I mean, these companies are going to run you ragged, run your vehicle ragged. So make sure you do your due diligence, what type of vehicle you have, make sure it's good gas mileage, make sure it's reliable. And if you are leasing or buying a vehicle for this purpose, just know how many miles you're going to put on it. And that's going to affect the resale value. But let's get into some of the places they are first. Of course, we're going to get into that. Express Errands Courier. Just go to the, okay. This wants to go to everybody. But y'all see the drop down list. Houston, Dallas, Big Texas, Big Tennessee. We got Southern California. Somebody asked me about Southern California recently. There we go. Virginia Beach. Got the East Coast, North Carolina, Jacksonville, Florida, and all places in between. Even Minneapolis. I'll never see Minneapolis. So we got some Minneapolis work for you guys. Pay your deposit, small deposit. Let me know you're ready to make your delivery. Once the order is confirmed, we'll send out a courier to pick up. So this is, people who want things delivered. And let's see about how you guys can get work here. So look who's hiring. Executive assistant. They're looking for medical in Alpharetta, College Park, where I am. Some recruiters. I need to be a recruiter. San Antonio, Texas. So and they got more now. What I would do if you don't see any openings right now, but still reach out, let them know that you're available, let them know you're trying to work. A lot of times people drop off, a lot of times they need somebody to fill in. You can fill in and actually take somebody's route, take somebody's contract, especially if they're calling out a lot. So these are just rules of thumb, things you guys can do to better position yourself and better get contracts in your area, man. Be persistent. Do not just send out one application, one little form entry on this website. You have to be calling and emailing at least once a week. Don't bug them too much, but at least once a week and say, hey, I'm still interested in anything opening up. Hey, you guys got any new routes? Just let them know you're trying to work and you will get your foot in the door. All right. So that is two. Yes, two great courier companies. These two companies cover each and every state. Only thing I didn't see, maybe like New Mexico, Arizona was on there. Was Arizona? Let's say Arizona, Houston, Texas. I didn't see it. Yeah, Phoenix, Arizona. So Arizona's on here. So pretty much everything is covered in between these two. You're not going to find anything in South Dakota, guys. If you following this, if you from in South Dakota, North Dakota, Wyoming, Montana, drop a comment. But I'm gonna try to find something. But be honest with you, it ain't much out there for you guys. Those are very, very scarcely populated states. So therefore, a lot of business is not coming out there. So therefore, you have to create your own opportunity. You can be the Errand Express. You can be these big time courier companies in your area, going out, reaching out to pharmacies. All you got to do is go out to the local mom and pop pharmacies. They need stuff delivered and set up the contract. All right. And get my courier guide. I have contracts in my courier guide for you guys to use to send out to companies, scripts. I have a whole script of what to say on the phone. If you get kind of nervous, you're not sure what you need to say, go ahead and download my courier guide. Only $15. I guys are going to drop the price to $14 just for you guys today. I'm going to drop the price to $14 for my courier guide. Go ahead and grab that. I'm constantly uploading new files to it. It's an ebook, so you can download it, look at it on your own time. And it's a great, great resource for you guys. So again, don't forget to hit that like button and tap the subscribe button and drop a comment if something that makes sense. If you didn't see your city, your state in the video in one of these two companies, let me know, saying, Cap, this wasn't there. I can't use this and help me out. I got you. All right. And stay tuned for the live I'm doing Saturday. I'm going to try to be consistent with doing live streams Saturday morning, kind of answer you guys' questions in real time and give y'all some game about some companies that are hiring and ways to find work. All right. Okay, until next time, boss up, baby. I'm gone.